Yo, what is up guys, it's Nick back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about Supreme Week 8, what is going to be releasing this drop. We don't have a lot of stuff releasing, not that much heat, but we do have a little bit of items, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Supreme Week 7 of what I got in my last video. If you guys saw it, it wasn't really a live cop, just telling you guys what I got. So without any further ado, don't forget to smack that subscribe button, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the Supreme Spring-Summer 2018 season. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alrighty you guys, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. It's Supreme Week 7, came in a box, and I'm pretty good. If you guys watched my last video, you guys already know what I got. It was the Supreme Nightlight along with the Supreme stamp, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the Supreme stamp. Now I'll be surprised if they do put this in a bag, which they did. We got the Supreme bag right here, Supreme bag. So that's pretty cool. Just throw the box off to the side. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Alright, so first thing we're going to be pulling out is the Supreme LED mini glow stick. On there it said mini nightlight or nightlight keychain, but let's see if there's any batteries in here, or how do you even turn it on? Twist on and off. Well, I guess you guys can see that I don't know how to work this thing, but oh, here we go. There it is. I'll get some on like shots with the thing off. Sorry, it's distracting me. There's something in there wiggling around. Don't know what it is. Maybe I can get it out later. But that's that. I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah, you just twist to turn on and off. That's pretty cool. And it's got the little BOGO right there. So no on and off switch. You just flip it on and off. So that's pretty dope. I'm gonna put that off to the side. And then we also got the Supreme stamp right here. It just came in this little itty bitty box right there. So let's go ahead and just pop this bad boy open. I'm gonna do it from the bottom. I think this is the bottom. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna undo it real quick. Might as well just take it out of the plastic. Yeah, for sure. So you guys can get some good looks at this. And then on the top, as you can see, what it stamps out, it does not stamp out a BOGO. It stamps out exactly that. But that's pretty dope. It just got the little box logo right there, and it just stamps out like that when you push down on it. It's pretty dope. I'm going to be doing some B-roll footage of that, of course.
You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't want to die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's plan. God's plan.
But with those two items out of the way, I'm gonna show you guys. I got a ton of stickers in here, and I think they're all gonna be the same ones. Yeah, they are. Yep. I got two box logos. One of them's a little bent up. I got 6 stickers all in all, and I got another BOGO. So we're gonna put those off to the side, and I also have from the last unboxing. As you did see, I got one of these, and now I have two of the, I'm pretty sure, I don't know how to say it, it's non-Goldion or something like that. So I got two of those, and then I have two of, I think this is her most famous picture that she took of them in the back of a taxi cab in New York. But I got two of those, as you can see. So I have a lot of those stickers. So I'm just going to put those in the collection, and that's about it for the unboxing. So let's go ahead and just talk about Supreme Week 8 drop list. Okay guys, I'm right here on Supreme Community, and there's not a lot of heat dropping this week. And the heat that is dropping, it is like way expensive, way out of my price range for one item, which is, it's pretty crazy how much a suitcase costs. So let's go ahead and just talk about the suitcase. Supreme and Ramoa, if I'm pronouncing that right, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below, but they are dropping these suitcases. It comes in a black and a red colorway, and it says Supreme on it. This is a pretty well-known suitcase company, I'm guessing, because it said in production or in business since 1898, I'm pretty sure. Found that on their actual website. But so those are pretty cool. There's a big one and a small one. The dimensions, They're on Supreme Community if you want to know how big they are. But the big one is $1,800, and these small ones are $1,600. Pretty crazy for a suitcase, but you know, hypebeasts are going to spend the money to get these suitcases, and I'm pretty sure resale won't be that bad on them, but no way that these are going to resell over $3,000 in my opinion. I don't think they will. And next up on the list is the most upvoted thing on Supreme Community right now. It is the Supreme Cactus Keychain. Now I am looking to acquire one of these, and I'm pretty sure so is my friend going to get one of these. I really like this item. Like I said in the beginning of Supreme Spring Summer 2018, I said that I really wanted this item, so I'm going to be trying to get that tomorrow. It is a pretty cool item. I do like it. And some more stuff that we have releasing. We have the world famous tape seam hooded pullover and the pants. I really don't like these items. I might just go for them if they do resell well, but I don't see any of them reselling well because they are so downvoted on Supreme Community right now. It's like 10,000 to 4,000, so that gives you a little ratio there. And then we do have the MLK hoodie. These are pretty cool. I would never rock one of these, but it'd be cool for the collection to have. And these might have a little bit of resale value, but not that much where you're going to make a whole ton of profit on it. It says I have a dream, and they do retail for the price estimation is not on Supreme Community. So if I am going to be guessing it, it would probably be like 158 or 168, just because Supreme's hoodie usually just stay around that price range right there. And then we do have the quilted patented vinyl work jacket, which is absolutely whack. These do not look cool at all. It looks like you have a plastic suit on. It's pretty bad in my opinion. But that's a lot of the stuff that is releasing. We do have three more items that I do want to talk about. We have the bandana sweater, which I think will, of course all this stuff's going to sell out, but I think this will be one of the couple items that will sell out faster than all of the other ones. But they are pretty whack to me. But I'm just saying that they'll probably sell out really fast, as well as some of the top items. And we do have the overdyed pocket tee, and I really do like this t-shirt. It's got the little Supreme on the pocket, on the breasticle right there, and it does come in a lot of colors. We got gray, blue, purple or pink, yellow, brown, and a dark green. So a lot of colors. I know the overdyed pocket tees, I'm pretty sure they're heavier for the summer, so don't wear those on a hot summer day. I'm pretty sure all the overdyed stuff is more heavier than all the other cotton stuff. But that's just speculation. I'm pretty sure it is. And the last thing that I do want to talk about is the metal plate camp hat. Now, we saw these in the lookbook at the beginning, and a lot of people like these hats. It's just regular, they're regular camp hats, but I think it is a metal piece on the front, forehead, and it says Supreme. It's the Supreme metal box logo. But that's about it. The rest of the stuff from this collection, or not collection, but Supreme Week 8, it's pretty whack, so I'm pretty sure I'm only going for one thing, which is the Cactus Keychain, and I'm pretty sure I'll secure that with no problem. But guys, if you do want to see a live copy of that, don't forget to come back tomorrow, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.